Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I make new project video, Arkham Stone. I think this project is very good project. Arkham Stone is best project. Don't miss out this project. Real world utility. Developing a token pre-sale suite. What Arkham Stone is deploying a Web3 ad app. The game launch suite. The Atkinson token has real success. The game launch suite empowering you to differently create, launch, found, monitor, and sell token without any rounding skill or exiting fees. No upfront cost inventories. Why pay for expensive launch phase when you can use the world fast ICO suites with all also be available as a WordPress plugin. Want to use it for your project? Select wallet by rewards. Pre-sale open by instant token now. Price increasing even 7 days. Next price increase uh, for 14 hours, 20 minutes and seconds. Connect price per instant token. Buy now before the price increases. You purchase zero instant token payment method. Payment method easily. Buy now. Unlock rewards by purchase of instant token. Real all Web3 payments solution. The Arcan Store. The project. Key purchase of Arcan instant token. Concurrently, game launch sheets. Since in inside the Bitcoin, crypto news, uh, tech open, coin game, crypto natural, Yahoo Finance, digital journal, coin codes, industry partners, connection term, coin source, be bright, bright is Solana, Solan, Quantum, and Solfire. Ambassador program. The Atomstonics Ambassador program is demo site, referrally ICO listing, tokenomize. This Alchemist project tokenizes our distribution model is generated to maximum value for holders, balancing liquidity, utility, and long-term value with a focus on stable growth. But with airdrop and community drive integration, we aim to empower investment with a robust ecosystem. Founder will be investing in development apps and the game launch suite that is game changing in launching crypto project for end users. As a special promotion, we will connect a size airdrop when you can receive exciting custom NFTs for free. Simply participate in our t-shirt and other service. Investing with our platform, you will be eligible to rewards that limit addition digital transparently. Pre-sale 25%, airdrop 10%, liquidity 15%, stacking 15%, marketing 30%, trim 5%. Stacking get rewards for holding. How to buy. Thank you viewers.